With the knife.
Dude, this feels wrong.
Sponsors held a race day today and the burnout contest.
Yeah. Not bad. Come on, Emilio.
Damn.
I can't say I've ever done something.
It's kind of weird.
It's kind of feels wrong,
It
but
feels
so right.
Damn.
I forgot to mention that part.
Just authenticity.
Roller racing.
Oh! Fire!
Will it even do a burnout? That's what I'd like to know.
Kind of sounds creepy, dude.
Yeah, that's
Like
a
scary
creepy
movie.
ice cream
Creepy.
truck.
There we go.
Oh. Don't.
Back up, do it again.
Shaggy, you got wheel trucks? Anybody got a jack?
No, I can park in front of it.
Oh, echo! He's still going! Go catch
Oh shit. Oh shit. Dude, he's fast.
Oh my God, you almost had him.
I almost had him.
Almost had him. That was freaking epic. You had the tail and
I
then it
know.
just bounced.
I'm glad I didn't get him because then he ran on Garrett's foot.
Oh my God, dude.
Took off running.
a mouse came. Oh my god. What's funny is like when he was doing his burnout, the guy was like, hey, a mouse came out. I thought he was just fucking with him, you know? And a mouse.
Not bad.
Oh my god, that's sick.
Oh yeah, I
It
know.
ended kind of quick. We didn't think it was going to be that quick. We had a lot of fun. We were racing a lot.
Fucker in the pussy!
Come on, Jamie. You deserve it. You're a big boy, Jamie. Hayden's like, hell yeah, I got one.
Who else?
Shane, you're all loud. You're too young.
Checking IDs. Come on.
Let's do a shot.
That's good. Thank you, Kyle. Yes.
Finish the rest of it.
Thank you, man. Get another one.
There's so many more to go.
All right, well, cheers.
Are you driving?
He said, all right, whatever.
Let's say
Cheers, boys. Success. Good weekend, guys. Good weekend. Get sketchy in here.
Take 5.
Do it smarter. You kept this.
Hey, great weekend, man. We'll be back next year. Hell yeah. Cheers. Oh, damn. Kyle's taking another one.
Take 6.
Colorado sucks. Let's do a shot.
Hey.
Hell yeah,
man. They're all day.
Just
All
racing
day.
all day too.
Racing
We're
all
literally
day.
non-stop.
Talking to fans all day.
Honda took out a couple Subarus.
Yeah.
Hondas too.
Okay, that should be good. Yep. Bring it up.
I always tell myself I'm not gonna cry, but I always cry.
Drives in separate directions.
Yeah, we are going separate ways.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah, it's terrible.
We gotta go get VTech Vicky too.
You guys gotta come get the trailer and VTech Vicky.
Might be able to just do a swap. Bring up VTech Vicky and just drive our car.
Yeah. Drop yours off.
Actually, they might need VTech Vicky to make it the car.
Nah, Vicky's too special.
Vicky is special.
You named VTech Vicky, so technically you're like the godfather.
You're the godfather. Like, if all of us were to go, it'd be yours.
It'd be yours.
Good to know.
Yeah.
You named it.
Who do I call?
I don't know.
Nobody, you just.
That's just yours.
Ricky, honestly.
Yeah,
oh,
Ricky.
Ricky's got the title.
Hit up Ricky for VTech Vicky.
Hey, I know this is awkward. I gotta come pick up Vicky. The game.
See you guys.
The 18.
Yeah, don't take out the plane,
That was
bro.
close. That was close.
I'm sorry, man.
That's the last one that still works.
It has the rubber bands.
Yeah.
They're all in
It's a graveyard.
rough shape.
We're learning.
I even caught the wing of the Super Cub on the ground.
Yeah, it has a little chunk missing out right there.
Bite out of it.
We got the hatch loaded up, got the shopping cart and the pit bike loaded up. Jamie got his Civic loaded up on his trailer, and Emilio and Brent are gonna be taking the Honda back. They have to put it back on 93 for the road trip home. But we're heading out right now. Had an awesome time out here. Crazy experience. Definitely gonna come back next year. That's the only one that doesn't leak, so we're good.
Larry would love to chill with these guys.
Larry?
Is Larry in there?
Where's Larry at?
You see the one in there through the bushes?
Oh, yeah.
One right there.
One hopping right there.
They think the fit, they were gonna feed him.
Those are so sweet.
Look at the one on the rock.
Yeah, the one on the rock.
They're just eating away. They're munching.
Do their tongues fly out?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, just really fast.
Going for a ride in the Unicorn? Damn. Now I really have to get the minivan fixed for you.
I know.
I'm excited. I mean, the two-step last night was insane. It's so loud.
Some big ass flames. Usually, if my car is actually warm, I like to fuck with the golfers over here. People do
Like to freak them out.
Yeah. I wish the car was warmed up in there, you know.
Yeah, until one gets mad and tries to fling a golf ball at you.
I wanted a street car. I wanted to hear turbo sounds, and I didn't want a trailer everywhere I go. So far, so good.
Yep. Accomplished all of those.
Just some cruiser.
Got Emilio in the ZR1. Oh my god. Shit. This thing moves out, dude. God damn.
There was no traction in there.
It was just spinning and spinning, but we were still flying.
So we just put in a 427 in here, and it had a 370, and it's on 64, 66s, all bearing turbo, so there is no lag. About 1,200 horsepower right now is my guess.
I'd not be surprised it gets it. Oh my god.
Track marks behind us are ridiculous.
Oh my god. Dude. Unicorn gets it.
I think these tires are shot. They're like rippling. Maybe they've been on the dyno too many times.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Thing's wild.
Yeah.
Thanks for the ride.
You're welcome. Gonna build a V8 now?
We might just have to.
I was like, where the fuck is it?
Damn, Kyle, when did you get an STI?
When did I get STI?
Yeah.
Looks good here, except it's not white.
Cool.
Thank you for everything.
Of course. Thank you guys for coming out. I'm glad you came out to party with us.
Yeah, thanks for inviting us. It was such a fun
That's
weekend.
basically the best way to explain it. It's a 2-day party with all of our friends.
Yeah, I already said it. We're definitely going to come next year for sure.
Oh yeah.
One of the funnest events we've been to.
Planning on a burnout.
Yeah, we need to make a burnout car now. See you, man.
Almost there, dude.
Almost back.
Not really.
No, we still have like 4 or 5 hours.
Dude, Casey's donuts are like the best donuts ever. They only have them here.
I haven't tried mine yet. I got one. I'm finishing off a piece of pizza.
A pizza. Kind of
Pizza.
A pizza.
Then Emilio's just over here enjoying a apple.
Freaking fresh apple. I've been eating like shit this weekend, dude. Sure, does it not stop?
Yeah, you had some burgers this weekend.
Bro, I had. Damn. I feel bad even saying it, dude. The first burger I had, I was like sitting at the place and I'm like, I haven't had a burger in like 3 months. And I'm looking at the menu, I'm like, damn, there's nothing else, dude. What am I gonna do? Eat a bag of chips? And I was like, fuck it, give me a cheeseburger. It's funny because like I had walked off of myself to go get something to eat and I come back and I'm like fucking eating the burger all fast before I got to them.
You ate it before you even came back.
Yeah, they didn't even know I ate it and I felt so bad.
Then he comes back.
I came back with a bag of chips.
15 minutes later, he's like, man, I just had a cheeseburger.
I couldn't hold it, dude.
You didn't want to tell us.
I felt like I did something real bad, dude. And then after that,
And then we got you another one.
you guys are like, do you want something to eat? I'm like, yeah. He's like, well, it's either a burger or pulled pork. I'm like, oh, dude, I'm gonna die out here not having no meat. About to just eat all these fresh corn. There's so much corn out here.
Picking some corn husks.
It's crazy.
Out of one of the semi ones?
Yeah, one of the semi ones.
Yeah, because Hayden was like, dude, how did it fill it up so fast?
Oh, they fill up like that.
It put 23 gallons in his truck in like 10 seconds.
Nothing.
And it like started shooting out all over the ground.
Damn hose right here.
Yeah, because look, you're supposed to use this one. Then this one's huge.
Just telling him a story. I came to one of these little pumps out here in the middle of Nebraska once and I was filling my truck and I was like, I'm just gonna run inside real quick, go to the bathroom. I came out and diesel was just everywhere. I was like, it's terrible. I felt so bad.
taking his license plate
Oh my
off.
gosh, no, I'm bad. It's bad.
That's the one that burned down?
You do all the right-hand drive stuff yourself too, or?
It's actually important.
Oh, it's a JDM one?
It's got the
Nice.
gas top, everything.
Whoa.
Sick.
Sir.
Whoa.
That's
tight.
Where'd you find that?
In Colorado.
Whoa.
Sir.
Yeah, man, I seen the cars and I seen Brett and I seen you and I kind of started freaking out when that's my mom right there. I was like, my damn heroes are outside. Like,
Hell yeah, man.
Awesome, man. It was
Appreciate it.
I know, it's funny too.
I was trying to make it to
What's funny
North
too is he all like pulled into the Conoco over there, and I was like, hell no! I'm going to the Casey's, dude. They got better donuts. I'm gonna go get some donuts.
And it's all card reader doesn't work, so I like go to whip around them all. I lost Hayden, bro.
Well, made it back.
We made it back.
Honda did good.
There, dude.
That's like 16 total hours of driving, non-stop.
Oh yeah, it's just a cruiser. It was like nothing. It was a normal car. I still lost my voice from the screaming and hollering.
Yeah, you can tell your voice is a little shot.
That burnout contest was too awesome. I think it was when the mouse hit Garrett. It was
Yeah.
he died. It was dead. It was good.
It was real good.
Yeah.
It was a crazy weekend though.
It was crazy.
Met so many fans.
Yeah. We're with our Boostedboiz family. That's, it's better than that. That was awesome.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
can't wait
it
till
was-
the next one.
yeah,
The
for
rest of
sure,
y'all
that
out
was-
there too. Like,
It was so fun.
So much in just a weekend, dude.
Dude, it feels like we were gone for
I
a
know.
long time.
how long?
But it was only 2 days. Well, 4 days total, but
yeah. But it feels like it was a couple weeks. Like,
It does.
we
Yeah.
did so much.
I don't even
I
recognize
slept
home,
not
man.
at all.
No, we need to catch up on sleep.
Andrew still has a couple hours to go from here. And Jamie has another hour, and same with me. So, actually, I'm only like half an hour, but
Yeah, but I appreciate it.
Oh yeah, dude. It's
It
fun.
was good.
it was a fun night for sure.
This is the first time
Success.
Brent gets home first.
I know. Usually it's the other way.
Usually
I'm
you're
the
last
so-
home.
You are.
But we came the right direction.
But
It's awesome.
hell yeah, I guess that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching.